perpendicular to the boarding bus. Now about this, this is coming down. Given that this is coming down, right? Now mass of the rod, all the three rods are identical, perpendicular to the boarding bus.
तो ऐसा है कैसे?
अच्छा ऐसा और x वाला ना
And the rod is there in between.
हाँ
Last bench, I will not request anymore. Right? Now, when this comes down, all three rods are of the same mass. mg L by 2, this rod comes down by L by 2, this rod comes down by L, is equal to half I omega square. About this axis it is pure rotation. So I will be ml square by 3 less ml square. 8-1. This is the plan. Friction on this will act this way, on this it will act this way. On this friction will act this way, on this friction will act this way. If I take this to be capital Mg minus 4F is capital M into capital. Right? F into R is the torque which is equal to I into alpha. This acceleration should be the same. R alpha is equal to that. C bar क्या है?
मास है वो तो बात
एक मास I0, torque will become 0. Bar का mass is 0. Then we don't take acceleration for that. mg is 4f. So 0 into a is 0. mg will be equal. What is the answer given there?
zero f zero.
What is meaning? What is the center of the cylinder? Talk about the center of the cylinder. 19.
Comprehension. One comprehension, two comprehension.
The ring one is wrong, don't worry about it.
Is it wrong?
Ring is wrong. The rotation of the finger, right?
Yeah.
That's given bonus.
So we don't solve. What's up, yeah?
और से पहले वाला
कौन से देश में?
The ring one is wrong. Leave it. The other one. और ये वाले स्कोर्स का जो पैराग्राफ दिया हो. Okay, listen. 19. Six Newton second. This height is 0.2. And this length is 0.3. Mass is given, length is given, driving the rod directly, determine the orientation of the rod and the position of the center of mass 1 second after the blow is struck. A will be equal to, this is VCM and this will be omega. J is equal to capital M into VCM. This is smooth table. J into this distance will be, this is 0.2. This is 0.3. That means this distance is 0.1. How much will this distance be? 0. Louder. 0.05 is equal to ml square by 12 minus 0 into omega. ml square by 12 into omega minus 0. Initial angular momentum is 0.
angular equal to 0.1.
Pardon?
Angular equal to 0.1.
So then perpendicular distance also will change.
But मतलब उसको जैसे टॉर्क का वो तो वैसे नहीं है ना कि एक्सीलरेशन
Any point which is adjustable to. Here it is the center of the
तो रेस्ट नेसेसरी है.
if not then change in angular momentum may change due to pseudo force also must be taken. Always think about the center of mass. That's it. So what is the next number? 37. No slipping, kinetic energy is maximum. When will kinetic energy be maximum? When loss in potential energy is maximum. When it comes to this position, kinetic energy will be maximum. This distance is 4r by 3. So mgr minus mgr minus 4r by 3. Because this will be r minus 4r by 3. Loss in potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy. I about O into omega square. I about O is mr square. This is I about C is, this is not C. This will be mr square. This will be equal to mr square by 2 is equal to I about C plus m into 4r by 3 pi whole square. I about O will be I about C plus m into 4r by 3 pi whole square. I about C, I'll substitute here I about O.
वो 0.3 तो है. तो हाँ फाइनल वाला.
Ball falls down without initial velocity from height h above the surface when the increment of the ball's angular momentum vector during the time of falling relative to the point of the reference frame moving translationally in a horizontal velocity with a velocity v. The ball starts falling from point O, it has been inflected. See, if I understand, the ball starts falling here and the observer is somewhere here. This distance is v into t. Increment in angular momentum bootstrap. Torque is dl by dt. dl by minute. Torque about this will be mg into vt. mg into vt. Extend the line of action of force and drop a perpendicular. Will into dt is equal to dl. That's all.
angular momentum is equal to r cross v.
क्यों इतना आसानी से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
क्योंकि सेकंड टू साइड आता है.
So 42 हटा दो.
Horizontal. R perpendicular. The R perpendicular is called 9th standard physics ICSE textbook में है नाम है perpendicular distance. There is a very wise quotation given in that book also. I don't know which book of that. Aristotle says, "Give me a sufficiently long rod, I can lift earth." Give me a sufficiently long rod, I can lift earth. If longer the rod, बोले तो मैं करेगा. बहुत दिनों के बाद ये phrase सुना. Mechanical advantage is taught in ICSE only in 9th. CBSE में is not there, but ICSE is there. See, I used to wonder. ये लोग mechanical pulley introduction of pulley is done in 10th for these kids. 10th or 9th? उसमें mechanical advantage बहुत दिनों के बाद it is. You apply force. Longer the rod, it's easier to lift this way. That's what he meant to say. But then the phrase is very distorted. Give me a sufficiently long rod, I can lift earth. Lifting earth doesn't make sense. What is lifting earth? Remember long back when batch के साथ आधा घंटा fight मारे थे. Finally we came to the conclusion. If there is a person standing with this, if I stand with my hands, I'm lifting earth. I will define x, y, z according to you. Finally, that batch came to the conclusion that you are lifting earth this way. Anyway, you stand with your hands on earth, that means you are lifting earth. Technically, that's right. What is x, y, and z according to your reference? Now, this is x, y, z according to your reference. The most unconstructed job we did that day in the class is after arguing for half an hour, we realized that lifting earth doesn't make sense. And that day, but seriously, in the discussion, casually I asked, suppose you bend your head standing on earth to see your feet.